So, for those of you who are pound cake enthusiasts, this cake is going to rock your world. Not to mention, it is crazy gorgeous. So, I start off the recipe by making my version of an egg substitute, and that is with coconut milk, some baking powder, and some cornstarch. Recipe is all going to be down below. I'm just going to make that ahead of time so that this is good to go for the rest of the batter. So this batter could not be more easy. You just dump everything in. So I've emptied out my gluten-free flour drawer for this one. I have some almond flour, some coconut flour, and you can do it with all almonds, but I didn't have enough, so I just had it in the coconut. I have some polenta, some more baking powder, and some sugar. Now for the wet ingredients, I have a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. That'll keep the flavors nice, as well as the juice of a half a lemon and a blood orange. And the citrus kind of really lifts things up for this cake, and it also helps balance out if anybody doesn't like things too sweet. That goes in there, and then I'm just going to add in our egg substitute. So as with any of my gluten-free batters, I usually let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes so that the flours have time to hydrate. It really makes a big difference in how it bakes. So for that gorgeous blood orange topping, I'm sprinkling on a bit of demerara sugar, and then I'm cutting my slices of orange fairly thin. Now, if you guys worry about bitterness or you don't like bitterness too much, what some people will do is they will boil the orange slices either in some sugar syrup or just some water for 10 to 15 minutes or so. But I could not be bothered. And I think that this comes out really well as well. I kind of like a little bit of bitterness up on top because I think it helps with the cake. But you can do either way. You want to go ahead and bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for right around 30 minutes until it gets a nice deep, rich golden brown like this. And then probably while it's still warm, it'll help the oranges release better. But wait a couple minutes, let it cool just a little bit before releasing it from the sides and then flipping it over and crossing your fingers. Oh my gosh, what a showstopper. I mean, you obviously need to get a green plate for this one. But it made the house smell so good. It's vanilla-y, it's rich, it's citrusy, and you get kind of a lot of texture from that polenta as well. So I devoured this cake, and I'm not really a cake person, but it's so good. So that is it from me, kitty cats. If there was a cake that I would want y'all to make this year, I think it would be that cake. And just a special reminder of the 25% off of the vegan dim sum cookbook in case you guys were interested. I mean, you can get it anytime, but today is the last day for the 25% off. So just wanted to remind you all. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Go tell your friends. And I will see you guys all again next time. Bye.